This video will show you how to exclude certain pages from being crawled by LinkVector. Pages such as terms and conditions, privacy policy, and contact us are not relevant for internal linking. By excluding these pages, you can improve the quality of suggestions and focus on pages that matter for SEO. Let's start. You can block LinkVector from crawling in two ways: when creating a project and after the project is created. To exclude pages when creating a project, first choose whether you're setting a project for WordPress or other CMS. Then enter your domain's details as requested here. To see a step-by-step guide on creating a project in LinkVector, you can watch the videos we added in the description. Next, once you've filled in these sections, toggle the exclude URLs or paths below here. Then, if you have specific page URLs you don't want to be crawled, you can enter them in the exclude URLs box. LinkVector will not crawl the URLs that exactly match this list. For example, you want all blog posts to be crawled except one post on page /blog/our business history. Only this page is excluded from crawling. Next, if you want to exclude all pages within a specific path from being crawled, you can specify the path in the exclude paths box. For example, excluding the path/category means LinkVector will not crawl pages with URLs starting with this path. Then click Create New Project. Crawling your website will take around 30 to 60 minutes. A loading status on the dashboard here means we're still crawling your website. For existing projects in LinkVector, you can also exclude pages or paths from being crawled in your project settings. First, choose the project you want to make changes to from this drop-down on your sidebar. Then go to the Project Settings tab here. You'll see the Excluded Pages or Paths section. Next, you can add, delete, or edit the list. For example, the path/category has been changed to resources, and you want to add more URLs to be excluded. Once you're done, click Update Excluded URLs or Paths to apply the changes. Note that LinkVector will crawl your site every 3 days, so the updated list of pages will be excluded on the next crawl. And that's how you exclude certain pages from being crawled in LinkVector. Now you can better prioritize the pages for impactful internal linking. If you face any issues, send an email to support at hello@linkvector.io.